Hello, my name is Dianne Keach. I'm a former Deputy Director here in Topeka, DCF, for Prevention and Protection Services. I was over the Intake Protection Report Center. I was also over all the investigation and assessment units and their policies and procedures. And then I also was part of the Child Death Review Board. I've worked in Kansas nearly 20 years. The first 16 and a half of those years I worked in Wyandotte County in the field. I assessed over 1,000 child in need of care cases personally, working them, which involved over 2,000 children. And I've written over 4,000 assessments regarding abuse and neglect. As a DCF Deputy Director, I reviewed hundreds of cases, including over 400 child abuse, neglect fatalities. And my experience has taught me this, that when parents are engaging in high-risk behaviors such as substance abuse, domestic violence, criminal acts, or if they are suffering from an untreated severe mental health issue, they are usually isolating themselves and their children from the community and especially from grandparents. Except for safety reasons, children should never be separated from the love of a grandparent. Children who grow up with the support of grandparents tend to be more resilient. And grandparents are also considered to be protective factors for children who are victims of maltreatment. According to DCF data, almost 30% of all children who come into foster care are placed with a relative. So my question for you is this: if grandparents can be considered placements after children come into foster care and have moved around from placement to placement, why can't children avoid foster care altogether and be placed in the legal and physical custody of grandparents? When it becomes necessary to protect a child from abuse and neglect, the grandparent should be the first line of defense, and they should have the right to have legal and physical custody. Too many children come into foster care needlessly when grandparents could be providing legal custody. Kansas is one of the only states that I know of that allows a judge the authority to make a direct placement with a relative, avoiding DCF. With court oversight and community support, why are we not utilizing this excellent legal option? Today I'm here to support Judy Conway and the Brewer family. If DCF had believed the family or had informed them when the children were at high risk, the family members could have been able to intervene. I am 100% certain that these children would be alive today if DCF had cooperated with the family and not supported the alienation tactics of the abusive parents and step-parents. DCF should have no tolerance for alienation. Alienated parents and grandparents should receive notice when their children or grandchildren have been subject to an abuse-neglect investigation or are found to be at risk. Please tell DCF and your legislators that children must be protected and that family intervention by family members comes first.